Alright, and for a quick dyno pull video today, we have a 2017 Mustang with a manual transmission. It has full bolt-ons like intake, long tube headers, exhaust, and a tune. And he is doing some data logs here for a E85 tune and going to come back and see how much that makes. So, enjoy! Any guesses? Any guesses? Well, he made about 431 horsepower peak, and I'm curious to see what it picks up on E. At least 20 horsepower, I would assume. And coming up here on hit number 2, it made 433. Over 5 pulls, it was extremely consistent, as you would expect from an all-motor car. And 2 horsepower is basically nothing. It's almost exact. The lines were overlapping on the dyno, so enjoy this earphone blast.